Okay, students. So this is very important question. Question is what? Find the perimeter of a rhombus whose diagonals are 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. The main thing is what? We are considering ABCD is a rhombus. The rhombus means what? All sides are equal. If all sides are equal, we can consider all sides are A. Suppose A. It is given that diagonals are 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. So automatically, if you see, this one is a longer, so this one is 30 centimeter. This one is 30 centimeter, and this one is what? 16 centimeter. They are asking perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus formula is what? 4 into side. 4 into side. Okay, that means you have to find the value of side. Side is not given. Yeah, rhombus is given, length of the diagonal is given, side is not given. So at first we have to apply few things, then we have to find side. After finding side to suppose pi dulu side to formation just 4 रे multiply করে দিলে আমি perimeter to পাই যাম. Okay, so ইয়াৰ কাৰণে এটা বস্তু important বস্তু এটা আছে জানিব লাগিব, that is the diagonals of a rhombus. The main important thing is what? Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. That means you can say that these two parts are equal. Suppose this point considering O, AO equal, that means you can say AO equal to CO, first thing, clear, and BO equal to DO, second thing. Both the diagonals bisect means equally divide kore. So that means you can say the value of AO equal to value of CO, value of BO equal to value of DO, clear. So we are assuming AC हमने कितना लिया था? 16 लिया था. तो AO और CO मिलके क्या होगा? उसका हाफ हो जाएगा 8. BD कितना लेगा? तो 30. तो BO और DO कितना हो जाएगा? 15. That thing is very important. First thing. And second thing is what? They are perpendicular to each other. That means these angles are 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, that means we can take this triangle. Suppose I am taking triangle COD. COD triangle हमने ले लिया. COD में ये साइड कितना निकला? 15 निकला. ये साइड कितना निकला? 8 निकला, है ना? और ये एंगल 90 डिग्री भी है, तो उसका पाइथागोरस you can apply. Okay, so how can you solve? You have to write. You can write this thing. The solution. Let ABCD be a rhombus. Let ABCD be a rhombus with AC and BD, where AC and BD be two diagonals. Okay. So let AC equal to हमने सूखा वाला ले लिया. AC equal to what? 16 centimeter, and BD equal to what? 30 centimeter. Okay. Clear? After that you have to write we know that you can write we know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Okay, bisect each other at right angles. Therefore we can say AC and BD bisect each other at the point O at right angles. Okay. So therefore you can say equal like AO equal to CO equal to what? 8. Therefore AO equals CO equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, BO equal to DO equal to what? 15 centimeter. And you can take any one triangle. We can suppose take this triangle ODOC but COD. So this angle is what? 90 degree. That angle is and angle COD equal to what? 90 degree. Since it is separate, ultimately triangle lagibo, angelic lagibo. যদিও রম্বাস দিছে আমার মেইনকে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল লাগিব সো এটা ভালকে চোৱা ইন ট্রায়াঙ্গেল COD COD কি হ'ব CD স্কয়ার ইকুয়াল টু what OD স্কয়ার প্লাস CO স্কয়ার so in triangle COD you can say CD square equal to what OD square plus OC square CD square equal to what OC square plus OD square to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. You can say Pythagoras theorem. So CD we don't know, CD square, but OC and OD we know. OC and OD we know that OC equal to what? 8 centimeter and OD equal to 15. So 8 square plus 15 square. So if you find CD square, that means CD square equal to what? 8 square is 64 and 15 square is what? 225. So if you add them, CD square equal to what? 289. So if you take the square root, CD equal to what? Square root of 289. So square root of 289 it is 17 into monothetic. So 8 power is CD equal to what? 17 centimeter. So CD 17 centimeter. আমরা তুমি কি পাই গলা যেগুলো এটা সাইড 17 সেন্টিমিটার পাই গলা এই সাইড এটা 17 পাই গলা তো therefore perimeter of the rhombus ABCD equal to what? 4 into side. So on the side to the evator palu, we are going to go to 17 centimeter. It is your answer is 68 centimeter. Okay.